Okay. So we are going to draw again that figure. So this is your horizontal line.
Yeah.
And this is your triangle.
Right.
Right. And this is your figure. And this is from midpoint, right? So anyone is draw this? Any one of them? Any one of you is try to draw this or not?
No, sir.
No, okay. So this is your desired shape, right?
Yeah.
So this distance what? How much? Horizontal?
12 meter.
12 meter, right? This is your 12 meter, right? And what is the height?
3 meter.
This is your 3 meter. Okay. Now tell me, so this slant beam divided into how many parts? One?
F5.
No. 1, 2, 3, or 4? 4 equal parts, right?
Yeah. 4 meter.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what is the length of this? Can we able to? Can you able to find?
No, sir.
Hello.
So which process we can divide this particular beam? So can when we insert the node, so the beam is automatically divided? Yes or no? Hello? Hello? Hello,
Yes,
dear.
sir.
Hello,
So,
sir.
okay. So this is your required figure, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so first we draw a triangle shape. So what is the
Yeah.
coordinate? We can use the coordinate for draw the outer line.
Yeah.
0, 0,
0, comma.
12, 0, and 12, 3, right? Not 12, 3, it's 6, 3.
Yeah. 6.
We can draw middle line too.
Yes, middle one. Or draw this line to this, and from this to this, and from here to here, right?
Yeah.
This is a perfect drawing or not,
I guess not, sir. Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, what is the distance from here to here? This one, this node.
3,0.
I am talking about this node.
Yes, sir. 3,0.
No. If I draw a perpendicular distance, so this is your 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is from the 2, and this is your 4.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I insert a node from this point to this at a 4 meter. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have a insert node option. So we have insert node, right?
Yeah.
So you just or you can activate insert node from the geometry also.
Okay.
You just click on the insert node and click on here on this button on this beam. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have a insert node window.
Yes.
This is showing the insert node into the beam 3. The beam 3 means the name of this figure, this beam is 3, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. So this is node number 2 and this is node number 1, 2 to 1.
Yeah.
So now this is measuring from the node number 2. This is your node number 2.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is your node number 2, right? So from this node, what is the distance to up to here? 8 meter. Distance from this is in node number 2, right?
Yeah.
So what is the distance from here to here is 8 meters,
8 meter.
right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Yes.
If I measuring from this node, the distance is 4 meter, but from
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
here 8 meter. So how can I come to know that this is measuring from the node number 2? How I come to know? See, this is your required beam,
Right.
Yeah.
and on the left hand side it shows to you node number 2, and on the right side shows to node number 1. That's why I come to know that the StatPro is measuring from the node number 2, because the orientation is 2 to 1. That's why. Yeah, orientation is 2 1. If this orientation is 1 to 2, so is definitely measures from the node number 1. That's why,
1.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now, so I am giving the distance as 8 meter,
8
right?
meter. Yes.
So this is the proportion to
If-
total.
Yeah.
8 divided by 12. So this is the proportion, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So now I am going to click on the add new point, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And click here. This is your on 8, right? And click
Yeah.
on OK. So see, the one node inserted here, and my beam is divided into 2 parts. See,
Good. Yeah.
right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now we have the add beam options from point to point and creating the new beam, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have to insert how many nodes here? 1, 2, and 3.
4.
No,
4.
3.
Yes. Yes.
3 nodes, 1,
Yeah.
2,
2.
and
3.
3.
Not 3. Yeah.
The add points we already have, right?
Yeah. Yeah. 1 to 3. 2 to 3. 2 to 3.
So select this beam
Yeah.
and go to the geometry and insert node, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So which option is appropriate? From add new point,
Add new point.
can we have the distance from point to point? No, I don't have,
No.
right?
No. No. No.
Can we insert the add point, create a node on midpoint?
Yes. Yes.
No. So we have option to create and nodes. How many nodes? What is the number?
3.
3.
3.
And click on add endpoint, right?
Add endpoint.
So
Okay.
see, we have created the 3 nodes on particular view. Click on OK. So see, the beams is divided into 4 equal parts.
4 part. Yes.
Yeah.
and we inserted the 3 nodes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the second option is to insert a beam on the midpoint for this
Yes.
beam.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again we have insert node, and the third point is
Admin point.
Add
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 midpoint.
add point.
And okay. So this is here,
Yes.
Yeah.
and similarly you can here also. This is on a midpoint also. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we have created all the nodes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what was is remaining? To add these point by point to point like this.
Add.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And see, the required portion is created.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Anyone having any type of problem or a doubt to draw this portion
No.
up to
No.
now?
No.
No. Sir.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we draw similarly on the right hand side?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there we have another option. We have to create a mirror image of this portion to the right side.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like that AutoCAD.
Yes, like an AutoCAD. So we all know for the mirror command, we have to choose the mirror position.
Yeah.
So can you anyone tell me the where is the our mirror position? We have to specify where.
Access in the front, in the mid.
At what? At where? We have the distance also, right?
Yeah. 6
Okay.
meters.
From where?
6 to 3.
6 meter. On which axis, dear? X or Y?
X.
Yes, very good. Or which plane you are going to take as a mirror? Okay, just wait. I am going to select. So this is your required beam to be mirrored.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir.
First you select all the beams
Beam.
which are you are going to mirror, right?
Yeah.
And go to the geometry, and we have mirror command here.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
Or on we have this icon also for the mirror,
Okay.
and you can create from any one of your point, right?
Yes.
You first just select all your beams by pressing the control and select all the members, right? Like this, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, we have to choose a mirror plane. Which plane you are going to select? Which plane?
Y.
X.
X. Y.
X. Y.
XY. Can you know on which plane this figure is drawn?
X. Y.
So can
Yes,
the
sir.
XY is possible to take as a mirror of plane?
Not possible.
Not possible, no? So tell me,
XZ, sir.
XZ.
It is already showing 5Z.
Very, very good. Yeah, very smart answer. Anyone noticed this? Anyone noticed this one, this point? The Sava says. Sava, can you explain this?
On that window, the window which has been open, it is showing it.
Yeah,
Mirror plane.
mirrored plane. It's automatically already shown to you. Which plane is going to selected? YZ.
Why is that?
Because we drawn this figure on the XY plane, right?
Hmm.
So you can see the XYZ figure in the lower left corner. The orientation of XYZ axis, right?
Yes.
The front plane is XY plane, right?
Yes.
And the bottom plane is XZ. So if we are going to mirrored in the downward direction or upward direction, on that occasion we have to choose the XZ plane, right?
Yes.
Now in this situation we have to choose YZ, right? Anyone having any type of confusion while selecting the plane? Vibhuti, Dinesh, Mezulang. Anyone having any type of problem while selecting the mirror plane?
You
No,
can
sir.
explain.
Yes, Vibhuti?
Once again, you explain this plane system.
Okay. You can see in the lower left corner, you can able to see the XY axis.
Yes, sir.
So the XY plane is your front plane. You are imagine this portion. Yes or no?
Yes.
And your on top plane is your XZ plane. Yes.
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 And YZ plane is your left plane, side plane, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
So for mirroring the left or right, we have to choose the side plane.
Yes.
So which is the side plane?
YZ.
Which one?
YZ.
Yes, that's why we are selecting the YZ. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the plane is selected. Now the confusion is continues. At which position we are going to fix your plane? At which position? To give the perfect mirrored image. We are going to move that plane on the x-axis. At what distance? 6 meter.
6 meters.
So that's why we are going to plane at x is equal to
6 meters.
6 meter. Right? If you don't have the distance, so we have option of node plane also. You can select this node also. So this node number is 3. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this portion is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have the generate mode, move or a copy. So which portion you want to
Copy.
copy? If you select your move, this portion is moved to the
More.
on the right
Other
side.
end. Yeah.
And the copy we have take both sides like this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes.
in this figure we learn two things new. First is insert node, right?
Hmm.
And second one is
Mirror.
Mirror.
mirror. So all of you learn about this. Any
Yes.
confusion or any type of doubt you have?
Like in AutoCAD, the
Yeah.
dimension will be, so the diagram itself is showing in X, Y, Z direction.
Sorry. Repeat.
Uh, in AutoCAD, it will be in two direction, no, sir. X and Y. So it
Yeah.
will be it will be in the front, the diagram.
Yes.
But in here over here, it is in 3 dimension.
Yes.
Yeah, the diagram. So it can
But
be made.
yes,
The
you can image easily. Imagine
yeah,
easily. But there is a difference. A big difference, that is the front top view in the
yeah,
AutoCAD is displayed in the XY plane.
yeah,
That means the Z direction is your vertical direction.
yeah,
But here you can easily see in the lower left corner, the Y
yeah,
direction is your vertical direction.
yeah.
and X and Z is your horizontal directions.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is your big difference between AutoCAD and StatPro
Hello.
axis. Yes, dear. Yes.
Hello, sir. This same method we can use last figure with that made on box figure.
Yes, you can. But you can draw with the easy way. I going to uh, show you. We can easily draw that figure also. Block 1.
So.
So now tell me, this figure is clear, all of you? Can you able to all?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. So can I delete this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Select and press delete button. Okay. Now just show your grid method. This is your grid, right? Now you can draw a 3 meter beam. This is your 3 meter beam, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can remember that the beam is created on the regular intervals, right?
Yeah.
In the block figure, right?
Yeah.
So we have here a translation repeat for that method. What? Translational repeat.
Translation repeat.
Okay.
Okay.
It is like a array command in your AutoCAD, rectangular array, right? So in the geometry, you have find the translation repeat here.
Okay.
Select here.
Yeah.
Okay. So in which direction you are going to copy that line?
X.
Yes, you can select the X, right?
Yes.
So how many steps you want to? 1, 2, 4.
Yes.
And how much distance you need?
4.
4.
So you specify as 4.
4.
Okay,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So this number of steps and default spacing is already known.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have the link steps option. Okay. Now I am not clicking on the link step, right?
Yeah.
Directly click on OK. So see, we have created the 4 beams of
Yes.
similar height,
Yeah.
Yes.
but these nodes are not connected to each other.
Yeah.
Yes. So I am
Yes.
pressing the Control Z, right?
Okay.
Now I am selecting again and select on the translation repeat. Choose X axis. Step is 4 and spacing is also 4. And I am going to click on
Link step.
link step and click on OK. So you can see my upper node and the lower node is already connected.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah. Connected.
Okay. But the lower node, I want that these are not connected
Yeah.
in my figure.
Yes.
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 So for that we have another option like this. Another option is link step and open base.
Yes.
The base nodes are not connected. See, only the topmost nodes are connected and the lower nodes are not connected.
Okay.
Right? Now, for upward direction, select these nodes, yes, these beams, and choose translation repeat. At this time, which axis I am going to select?
Why?
Y. And how much steps? 4.
4.
How much
4.
distance?
4.
3.
3 meter.
Yeah.
And the link step, this time the open base is not enabled. Why?
Yeah.
Base is of
Why? We choose
Because we are working above the base.
Y axis.
Or click on OK.
Okay.
So the required figure is created by the translation
Yes.
repeat command.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Everybody understood this method?
Sir, please repeat that again.
Okay, okay. From where? From starting point or
No. Okay, okay.
Starting.
okay.
Yeah.
So first you have to create a one beam of
Beam.
3 meter height.
Yeah.
So first of all, you are going to create this part on the x-axis.
Yeah.
So you just activate the translation repeat command. Yes.
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 And choose x-axis
Okay.
because we are copy this line in the x-axis, right?
Yeah.
Or give the number of steps. In how many steps you are going to copy that. And this is your default spacing, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
If you having the equal spacing, right?
Yeah.
If you want to have the different spacing, you have click here and give the unequal spacing in the each section. Okay,
Okay.
and
2
click
meter,
on
I think 3 meter. 3
yeah,
meter
yeah,
we can make.
yeah. You just create another new one and give as the distance is 3 meter here, right?
Okay.
Or click on link step and open base.
Mhm.
So you can easily see these are the 4 meter distance and the last one is of your 3 meter,
3 meter. 3 meter.
right?
Yes.
And again you can select this upper beams and activate your translation repeat and choose y axis, and you can give equal spacing or you can specify the different spacing also, right?
Yeah.
This is a 3, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
And click on the link step and click on OK like this. Yes. If you select all this figure, right,
Mm.
and click on translation repeat and choose Z axis, and default spacing default steps is 4 and give the default spacing is 4 and choose link step, open base and click on OK. So see, this is your structure, required structure
Yeah.
in 3D.
Repeat again, sir. Repeat again, sir.
So this is your uh, plane in your XY plane.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
I select
Select all.
total
Select
figure
all.
Okay.
and
Okay.
go to the translation repeat
Translation.
and translate in the Z direction,
Okay.
Z direction.
and how much steps you want.
4 layers, 5 layers. We can up to how much required we can do.
Oh yes. And what is the default spacing?
Hello.
Oh.
Hello, sir.
What is the default spacing you want?
Oh.
4. So
Hello.
here, yes, dear Mazuna.
Sometime it is different spacing is there.
Yes,
So what?
you can give.
Sometime
You
it is
have.
4.
You can give 3, and you can give here as a 5. It's up to you,
Yeah.
right? And
Okay.
click on link step
Okay.
and open base. So why this open base enabled? Because I am selected the base beams also. That's why.
Okay.
And click on OK button. So this is created in the required structured form in the combination of beams and column.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I think you are you don't have any type of problem with today's command.
Okay.
You are understand well, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If you are having any problem, you can ask me right now.